Hey there, friends. It's Basil, just popping in quick to let you know that I have not abandoned you. I have read every single book this year for book club, um, but Mercury hasn't. So that's why we haven't recorded any more book club episodes quite yet this year. Um, but in super good news, Kat and Gracie, the other two employees here at Mercury Stardust Media, are going to be joining me to bring back book club. We are coming back strong this month, August, with Felix Ever After. The whole rest of the year is going to stay as scheduled. Release dates should be the same. We're just swapping out Mercury for Kat and Gracie. Mercury decided to go off and read her own series of books instead of keeping with the plan, which is fine. It's fine. I haven't given her any shit for it at all. Don't worry. um, but I am so excited to get to talk to you guys all soon. Stay tuned here for all the updates for the podcast. We'll be publishing everything here. Hopefully, we'll be able to even do video recordings. Fingers crossed. Either way, I'm super excited to get back to talking to y'all about some of my favorite books. Yay!